1Password makes it easy for your family or team to stay safe online and to securely share your important information. And if someone forgets their master password or can't find their secret key, you can help them recover access to their account. You can recover accounts if you're a team owner or administrator, or a family organizer. To get started, sign into your account on 1password.com and choose People in the sidebar. Select the person's name, then click Begin Recovery. Your family or team member will receive a recovery email from 1Password. When they click Recover My Account, they'll be asked to create a new master password and download an emergency kit with their new secret key. When they're finished, you'll see a pending recovery notification in your account on 1password.com. You'll also be notified by email. Click Complete Recovery, and then your family or team member will be notified that their account is ready. They can use their new account details to sign in to 1Password on all their devices and get access to everything they had before. The power to recover accounts lies exclusively with your family or team. To make sure you never lose access, give at least one other person the ability to recover account. If you have a family account, add another family organizer. If you have a team or business account, add people to the owners or administrators groups. Now you can rest easy knowing that everyone in your family or team will always have access to their account. For more helpful videos like this, visit support.1password.com or subscribe to the 1Password channel on YouTube.